Hello everyone, today I went to the Yarra Valley Chocolate Factory and today I'm going to be checking out what chocolate this factory has on display and how they make the chocolate. So as you can see, we're turning into the car park and we got lovely flags and a lovely sign saying Yarra Valley Chocolate Factory. So entering the car park, you can see lovely trees, a lovely garden, and at this day it was actually quite busy. It took us a couple of minutes to find a parking spot. So yeah, it's a very popular attraction here in Melbourne. Here's the entrance of the chocolate factory. You can see a nice little small ice cream shop, which I actually got ice cream from there and it tastes quite good.
Today we're here at the Yarra Valley Chocolate Factory and in a few minutes I'll be taking you inside.
So walking inside, this is actually a massive building. You got the factory on the left side, then the shop in the middle, and then you also got another big restaurant on the outside. As you can see, there's a massive variety of chocolate and it was quite hard to choose which chocolate I wanted to buy. So as you can see, there's a bunch of chocolate varieties. There's also something called a 1 meter chocolate ruler. So it's just like a 1 meter ruler but made out of chocolate. And obviously we've got wine as well, quite nice.
Bear with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat, don't gotta hurry and I need love.
Now, as I said before, here is the restaurant. There's a massive kitchen at the back and a massive garden and also an outdoor kitchen area. We also ate some food there. It was quite delicious. And here's the chocolate milk that I ordered, or basically a hot chocolate where you have to mix it yourself. Quite cool to get the utensils. Obviously it's just hot milk that you just pour the chocolate in and then mix. Obviously that's the end of the chocolate factory. I actually found this a pretty cool place to visit, and if you live in Melbourne and you're going to the Yarra Valley side, and make sure to check this chocolate factory out and make sure you eat something there at the restaurant. And also I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers, so if you could please help me get there, then that would be appreciated. Thank you very much.